Peace be with you. The desert of life. I would want to talk about this. Why? Because in today's time, many are depressed, many are anxious, many are suffering. Why? Maybe because, in my reflection, we opt to go our own way instead of aligning ourselves to God's will in our lives. We choose to do the opposite. We choose to say, I'll do this, I'll plan it this way, I'll do it this way, I have to reach this goal by then, without God's intervention, without asking God's blessing first, or seeking Him first before we do our plan or goal. So what is important when we talk about challenges in life, so the desert of life? What is important to note is that we are not meant to stay in the desert. The desert has food to offer, has manna to offer. No? If we recall, the Israelites were in the wilderness, in the desert for 40 years. Why 40 years? Because, again, they opted to do things their way, and they forgot about God's faithfulness. They were becoming impatient. So, the lesson here is, the more we do it our way, the more we suffer. So, if we align with God's will, then everything will come to place. Let us put God first. Going back, the Israelites suffered, but still God provided. But the desert was not the end. The end is the promised land, greener pasture. So we were meant to be staying, to live on greener pastures. We were not meant to stay in the desert. And it is our choice whether or not to align with God's will, because if we do, then we will be led to greener pastures hastily. And it would not take us too long. Anyhow, the challenge is pray and learn to seek God's voice. And it is all about habit, and it is a practice. You may not get that right away, but in my experience, the more you do it, the more you try to listen to God's voice, it will be revealed to you. And my experience is, knowing that it is God's will, is that there is a certain peace when you make that choice. There is peace or security. There is joy amidst all others. So again, troubles will be there. Jesus didn't say troubles will end, but he assured that He will always be there with us in our troubles. Just seek Him first.